Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasySpeak English podcast. I'm John, and I'm very happy you are here with me today. Let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever thought, I study English every day, but why am I not improving faster? Or maybe, I listen to podcasts, watch videos, and learn words, but speaking still feels difficult. If you said yes, today's episode is for you. Today, I want to share one interesting idea. Many people believe becoming good at something mostly comes from talent. They think some people are naturally good at music, languages, sports, or speaking. And they say, that person can do it because they were born special. But what if improvement works differently? What if practice matters more? Think about driving. Imagine someone drives every day for 10 years. Does that automatically make them an expert driver? Not always. Some people repeat the same habits every day and never improve much. English can work the same way. If someone listens to English every day, does speaking automatically become easy? Again, not always. Because time helps. But time alone is not enough. The important question is not, how long did I practice? The better question is, how did I practice? That small question can change everything. Many learners repeat the same activities. They watch videos. They read. They listen. These things are useful. But improvement sometimes becomes slow because practice stays comfortable. Good practice is different. Good practice has a goal. For example, instead of saying, "Today I will study English," try saying, "Today I will answer 5 questions in English." Or, "Today I will speak for 1 minute without stopping." Or, "Today I will repeat 1 short dialogue and improve pronunciation." Now your brain knows what to do. Clear practice creates better results. Another important idea is this: do not avoid difficult parts. Many learners stay away from weak areas. Maybe pronunciation feels uncomfortable. Maybe speaking feels stressful. Maybe listening feels too fast. But difficult areas are often where growth begins. Imagine you cannot pronounce one sound clearly. That does not mean you are bad. That sound becomes your next practice target. Imagine speaking feels slow. Good. Now you know what to improve. Mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes give information. They show the next step. Many learners make one mistake and think, "My English is terrible." But that is not true. One mistake does not describe your level. It only says, "This part needs more practice." That is all. Another thing I want to talk about is focus. Sometimes people spend 1 hour with English, but think about other things. Then they feel disappointed. But 10 minutes of focused practice can sometimes teach more. When you practice, be present. Listen carefully. Repeat carefully. Notice details. Notice pronunciation. Notice pauses. Try again. Improvement likes attention. Feedback is important too. Feedback means learning from results. You speak. You listen. You notice. You improve. You do not always need another person. You can record yourself. Listen again. Ask simple questions. Was I clear? Did I pause too much? Did I speak too fast? Did I forget words? Then try again. This habit is powerful. And remember something important. Practice should feel a little difficult, not impossible, not too easy. If everything feels easy, growth becomes slower. If everything feels impossible, motivation becomes lower. Okay, my friends, before we finish, write something in the comments. Tell us, what part of English is most difficult for you right now? Speaking, listening, pronunciation, vocabulary. I really want to read your answers. Thank you for spending your time with EasySpeak English podcast. See you tomorrow at 7 p.m. Bye, everyone.